Christmas. Hey, welcome to this Christmas collab of YouTuber tumbler makers. Today, I feel like I'm a little underdressed. Give me 1 second. Whoa, ho, ho, hey, that's better. Santa sent me to personally invite you to be one of his secret Santas. What? He even sent his magic bag with a present in it, just for you. In this box, Santa has selected another YouTuber tumbler maker for you to make a tumbler to and give it to on Christmas. What? So let's see who you got. I'm gonna take a peek. Oh my gosh. You're gonna love it. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. You get to make a tumbler gift for, are you ready? Are you sure? Are you ready?
We've got the fabulous Dixie Darlins to create a cup for. If you don't follow her, what are you waiting for? Her leopard print designs are gorgeous and she's an absolute sweetheart. I'll have links to her socials along with all of the other Secret Santa collab YouTubers who participated in the challenge in the description box down below. Now, I did some recon in order to design Kelley's tumbler and found out that she loves the traditional red and green Christmas colors as well as the nativity. When I saw that, I immediately thought to design something with a Mediterranean / Byzantine era feel by making the tumbler look similar to the gorgeous murals that were so prevalent during that time. If you've been with me for a while, then you're familiar with my storybook style tumblers. I thought to do something with the nativity scene with a touch of Mediterranean would be perfect. So we'll be combining that storybook look with the same techniques we used for the Christmas ornament tumbler we made a few weeks ago. As usual, I'll be using the epoxy method, but do whatever is easiest for you. I let this nativity section cure for about an hour or so, then finish the top and bottom portions. You guys know I love to add depth to my tumblers no matter how subtle, so I decided to use golds, darker gold in the middle with a lighter gold on the top and bottom. We'll be doing the same thing with our arabesque ornaments later. The effect is subtle, but it will really give your tumbler depth. Let your glitter layer cure, seal with Krylon triple thick, and seal with 1 coat of epoxy. Then we'll be ready to start adding our nativity scene and start our top and bottom designs. I found these super cute arabesque ornaments on Creative Fabrica, and they have a star design in one, perfect for our nativity scene. These will really give off the Mediterranean feel I want and will be perfect for the top and bottom border of our tumbler. For sizing, I pretty much eyeballed everything for the nativity section except for the Bethlehem silhouette. I sized it to be at least 9.8 inches wide just to give me a little bit of an overlap. For my bulbs, I measured the top and bottom section and measured around the tumbler to figure out the width. It came to 2.75 inches high and 9.75 inches wide. Just like we did with our ornament tumbler, we'll be using the mirrors method and epoxying our vinyl ornaments and glittering them separately. I let my ornaments cure, sealed with Krylon triple thick, and then I was ready to add them to my tumbler. Now, my original design, I wanted to do red and green ornaments along the top and the bottom, but then later I realized that by having only 3 ornaments, there would be 2 ornaments that would be the same color. So instead of red, green, it would be red, green, or green, red. But as my man Bob Ross always says, there are no mistakes, only happy accidents. So all green on the top and all red on the bottom. The alternating colors would have been awesome, but I'm still loving how this tumbler is turning out. I sealed the whole tumbler with Krylon triple thick just to be on the safe side, and already went ahead and added a coat of epoxy. I'm now taking the leftover epoxy and adding PDB Creative Studios Archangel and applying it to our nativity scene night sky, just to give the look of stars. As always, you can skip this step if you like. I let this layer cure, then I added another coat to seal my glitter. Now I'm ready to add more of our vinyl design. Just like we did previously, I've already added a coat of epoxy to our tumbler, and now I'm using the leftover epoxy to, of course, add more glitter because, well, do we really need a reason? It's glitter. This is the same mix we made with our gold ornament tumblers. I'll place a link to the tutorial in the upper right-hand corner of your screen if you missed it. Let cure, and then we'll finish adding the rest of our vinyl. I sealed my vinyl with more epoxy, and this Nativity Storybook tumbler is all done.
Hey y'all, it's Kelley from Dixie Darlins Tumblers, and I'm so excited to open this package. So this is my Secret Santa from the Christmas collab, and she has this great little packaging tape on the outside that tells me that it's from V&D Designs and Miss Vanessa Davis. So So I'm so excited. I cannot wait to see what is in here. Because she always makes the most beautiful cups. So I'm super excited. So y'all are gonna open it. I'm just gonna do it right with y'all, okay? I have not even, you can see I have not even opened the box yet. So I'm very, very excited. I got the package in the mail yesterday and I couldn't record last night. So I had to wait till today and I'm so excited. And she has these cute little stickers, y'all. How about the little holographic? It says, "You've got great taste." And then a happy post. And Vanessa always has the most beautiful cups. So I'm really excited. And just the whole excitement of not knowing really who your Secret Santa was and who the cup was coming from. Y'all, oh my goodness. She's so sweet. Look at these cute little stickers. Hello. Little VMD designs. I love those. With the piss. Oh, I love that. Oh my goodness. Okay. I know we're supposed to be just opening our cup. Okay. But I'm gonna have to open them anyway. Because I just love getting these from other tumbler makers. So I'm super, super, super excited. Stay sparkly. How stinking cute, y'all. And y'all know that red is my favorite color. So, Vanessa, thank you. I love it. So cute. Okay, y'all, I am gonna get to my cup, I promise. Candy cane. I have no idea what's in here, y'all. This is so fun. I didn't know I was gonna get all these little surprises in here. I was just so excited about the cup. And y'all, it does not feel like Christmas. So the fact that I'm opening Christmas gifts right now is so much fun. Y'all, Yankee candle. Oh my gosh. My favorite Christmas cookie. Look how cute. Thank you, Vanessa. This is actually gonna sit on my table right here. And it's gonna sit out throughout the entire Christmas season and it's gonna be lit. So when you guys come live with me, you're gonna see my candle there. Okay. The moment of truth, y'all. I'm so excited. I know this is going to be so beautiful. Let me get my packaging out of the way here. Y'all just don't know that I think for me, I get more excited about cups from other tumbler makers than any of my own because it's just so exciting. Like, I just love to see in person. And all the ones that I carry are from other tumbler makers, so I'm so excited. So it looks like it's a 32 clump, so I love it. Perfect size for me. Okay, she's got me taped in here, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna cry, I knew I would. Y'all, this cup is so beautiful. I'm gonna show it to y'all, but I'm gonna scope it out for first. Oh, holy night. It is so perfect for me. Thank you so much, Vanessa. Y'all, look at this cup, how gorgeous this is. It's like perfect. It is totally perfect. It's got the red and green decorations at the top and the bottom. And then look at the nativity scene with the Oh Holy Night in the middle. So I know that y'all always see positive vibes from me, but this cheers me up when I get gifts like this from other people when they put so much time and energy into it. So thank you so much, Vanessa. I cannot love this cup anymore. It will be what I have with me throughout the entire Christmas season. So thank you so much. I'm sorry, y'all, I got emotional. It's just so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I can't quit staring at it. So anyway, I had so much fun doing this. I hope that we'll do it again next Christmas. Sorry, y'all. I got tears running down my eyes today. I hope we'll do it again next Christmas because it was so much fun. Just the conversations, the entertainment with all the other tumbler makers. So thank you, Vanessa, so much for my shirt, for my candle, for my cup. I love it so much. Thank you so much. And I'm gonna send you a message right now.